Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So today I want to show you one of my favorite beauty products, which I use pretty much on a daily basis, and that is this lip and cheek stick by Burt's Bees. So the fact that it's a 2-in-1 is very convenient, and it's also great if you like to keep your products to a minimum. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm wearing it, and we'll use it as a blush first. The shade I'm using it in is called Suez Sands. And I'm just using my fingers to blend it in gently. I find the formula melts in very easily, so it doesn't require too much blending. And so just like that, it adds a bit of warmth to my face. Very natural looking and very subtle, but if I did want to add more, it's definitely buildable. So now I'm going to use it on my lips. And again, nothing too dramatic, it just gives me a pop of color. And my lips feel very nourished right now, thanks to the core, which is actually made from coconut oil. So this is something I love wearing. As I said, I use it almost every day. And so I've been really happy with it. I would recommend giving it a try. And that is my point of view.